Alright. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to delete a file of a Dropbox from your PC. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started. First, you need to have Dropbox installed on your device. When you install your Dropbox on your device, you will have this folder, Dropbox, which is synced to your Dropbox account. And whatever file you keep here will be uploaded to your Dropbox. As you can see, I have 5 files in this folder. And also these files are uploaded on my Dropbox. Since this folder is synced with my Dropbox account, whatever file I keep here will be uploaded automatically, and also whatever file I delete from here will also be automatically deleted from the Dropbox. On the left side, I have the Dropbox opened on my web browser. Then on the right side, I have the folder that is synced with the Dropbox account. Now I will delete this file from this folder. Delete. Then a dialog box will open up to ask whether you want to delete the file from your Dropbox as well or not. To delete it from Dropbox as well, simply click on Delete Everywhere. Now we need to reload our web browser. And guys, there you have it. We have successfully deleted that file from the Dropbox as well. Let's see another example as well. Let's delete this file from our PC. Then reload the web browser. And as you can see, we have deleted the file successfully. I have only 3 files in the Dropbox folder and also the same 3 files on my Dropbox account. And that was it. This is how you delete any file of a Dropbox from your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.